This video is independent training created by TripleTron and me, Marcus Miller. It is not official LeadsLeap training, and TripleTron is not owned, operated, or endorsed by LeadsLeap. Some links shared in this training may be affiliate links, which means we may earn a commission if you choose to join or upgrade through them at no extra cost to you. This training is for educational purposes only. Results are not guaranteed. Your results depend on your own effort, consistency, marketing activity, follow-up, traffic, and business decisions. Hello, I am Marcus Miller, and welcome to Day 12 of the TripleTron LeadsLeap Masterclass 30-Day Launch Sprint. Today we are going to talk about something very important. What not to say in your emails? This matters because your email follow-up is not just about getting clicks, it is about building trust. And sometimes marketers hurt trust without realizing it. They use the wrong words, they make claims that sound too strong, they promise things they cannot guarantee, they pressure people too hard, or they make the email sound like hype instead of help. That can cause people to stop reading, stop trusting, or unsubscribe. So today's lesson is about protecting your message. The first thing you should avoid is guaranteed income language. Do not say things like, "You are guaranteed to make money. This will make you rich. You will earn this amount. Everyone makes money with this." Those kinds of statements are dangerous because they are not true for everyone. People get different results. Some people take action. Some people do not. Some people are consistent. Some people quit. Some people learn the skills. Some people never apply the training. That is why you should never promise a specific result. Instead, use honest language. You can say, "This training is designed to help you learn. This system gives you tools you can use. Your results depend on your effort and consistency. This can help you build a better marketing foundation." That kind of wording is more professional. It builds trust because it sounds real. The second thing to avoid is hype. Hype may get attention for a moment, but it can damage credibility. Avoid phrases like secret loophole, no work required, push button riches, instant success, make money while doing nothing. Those phrases may sound exciting, but they attract the wrong mindset. They also make your message feel less trustworthy. TripleTron and LeadsLeap are about building a system. A system still requires effort. You still need to learn. You still need to promote. You still need to follow up. You still need to be consistent. So do not train people to expect something for nothing. Teach them to build. That is stronger. The third thing to avoid is sounding desperate. Do not write emails that beg people to join. Do not say, "Please join right now. You must do this today or you will miss everything. I really need you to sign up. You would be crazy not to do this." That kind of language can push people away. Confidence is stronger than desperation. A confident email says, "Here is what this can help you do. Here is the next step. Take a look when you are ready. If this fits what you are looking for, get started here." That tone feels better. It respects the reader. The fourth thing to avoid is attacking people. Do not insult your reader. Do not make them feel bad for not understanding something. Do not say things like, "If you do not join, you are lazy. Only broke people ignore this. Smart people already know this. You are missing out because you do not take action." That kind of language may create pressure, but it does not create trust. You want your follow-up to guide people, not shame them. A better approach is encouragement. You can say, "If you are just getting started, take it one step at a time. If you have struggled before, this training can help you understand the basics. The important thing is to keep moving forward." That is much stronger. The fifth thing to avoid is confusing people with too much information. Do not try to explain the entire business, the entire compensation plan, every feature, every tool, and every strategy in one email. That creates overwhelm. When people are overwhelmed, they often do nothing. Keep each email focused. One message, one idea, one clear next step. That is the theme we have been building throughout this masterclass. The sixth thing to avoid is making your email look spammy. Too many capital letters can hurt the look of your message. Too many exclamation marks can make it feel aggressive. Too many emojis can make it feel less professional. Too many links can confuse the reader. Too many hype words can trigger distrust. Your email should look clean, calm, and readable. Write like a real person. Use short paragraphs, use plain language, make the next step easy to find. That is how you create a better reader experience. Now let's talk about compliance and responsibility. When you are promoting an opportunity, business, or training system, always be careful with your claims. Do not make income promises. Do not imply that results are automatic. Do not say something is risk-free if there is time, money, or effort involved. Do not say anyone can earn without work. Be honest about the fact that results depend on individual effort. That protects you. It protects the reader, and it protects the brand. A good marketer does not need to lie. A good marketer explains value clearly. That is the goal. Now, here is a simple way to check your emails before you save them. Ask yourself, does this email make a promise I cannot guarantee? Does it sound too hyped? Does it pressure the reader too hard? Does it insult or shame anyone? Does it have too many links or too many ideas? Does it sound like a real person wrote it? Does it build trust? If the answer shows a problem, rewrite the email, make it cleaner, make it more honest, make it more helpful. Here's a quick example of what not to write. You are guaranteed to make money fast if you join today. This secret system does all the work for you. Do not miss out. That sounds hyped. It makes claims. It creates the wrong expectation. Now here is a better version. If you are looking for a simple way to start building your list and learning follow-up marketing, this training can help you take the next step. You will still need to be consistent, but the tools and lessons are designed to help you build a better foundation. That version is more believable. It is honest, it is helpful, and it protects trust. Now let's connect this to your LeadsLeap SendSteed campaign. By now, you should have several messages started. Today, your job is to review them through a trust filter. Look for any sentence that sounds too strong, too hyped, too pushy, or too confusing, then clean it up. This is not about weakening your message. It is about strengthening your credibility. A trustworthy message can still be exciting. It can still be confident. It can still encourage people to take action, but it should not mislead people. That is the difference. Today's action step is simple. Open your LeadsLeap SendSteed follow-up campaign. Choose one email, review it carefully, remove any guaranteed income language. Remove hype phrases, remove unnecessary pressure, remove extra links if they create confusion. Make sure the email is honest, clear, and helpful. Then save the updated message. If you have time, review a second email too. That is day 12 of the TripleTron LeadsLeap Masterclass. Today you learned that what you do not say is just as important as what you do say. Your email follow-up should build trust, not break it. When your messages are honest, clear, and helpful, people are more likely to respect your content and continue following your training. In the next lesson, we are going to talk about how to use simple stories in your emails so your messages feel more relatable and easier to remember. Subscribe to the channel, complete today's action step, and I will see you in day 13.